Lost in the lion's den, dense forest, night. A full moon casts an eerie glow over the towering trees. The distant roar of a lion echoes through the darkness. A baby girl, no older than 2, sits on the damp earth, her tiny hands clutching a torn teddy bear. Her big eyes shimmer with fear. Baby girl, soft, trembling. Mama! She crawls forward, the crunch of dry leaves beneath her hands. Another distant roar makes her freeze. Her breath quickens. Rustling in the bushes, a pair of glowing eyes emerge. A lion steps out, massive and golden, its mane rippling in the moonlight. It watches her, sniffing the air. The baby lets out a tiny whimper, curling into herself. The lion takes a slow step forward, then stops.
Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create these cool images using AI free tool. Yes, everything is completely free. All you need is your phone or your computer and a good internet connection. Alright guys, so the first step you're going to do is to come to your Google browser and type in ChatGPT. This is the ChatGPT and it's free. It's completely free. You can do anything with this AI bot. It will help you throughout. Alright, and if you are trying to create content, this is the AI tool that is going to help you figure out all. So you're going to come here and ask ChatGPT to create any kind of story. As for me, I'm going to go with a sad story about a girl lost in the middle of the woods. So this is what I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create for me. Create for me a 1-minute story about a young girl lost in the middle of the forest. Yeah, so guys, I'll go with this. It says create me a 1-minute story about a young girl lost in the middle of the forest. All right, so ChatGPT is already doing its work, as you can see. All right guys, so this is the story that ChatGPT has created for us. So guys, step number 2 is head over to your Google browser and chat in Leonardo AI. So it's completely free and this is an image generator. So it generates good images for you that you can use into your videos or you can turn into videos, right? So this is the Leonardo AI, and if you don't have an account, please create one. You can sign in using your Google account. So I already have mine and they give you points. As you can see, these are my points, 150. I already have those and that is what I'm going to be using. All right, so these are some of the pictures they have on their app. Okay, so you are free to use these pictures. We are going to go ahead and generate our own images. As you can see, you are going to enter your prompt here, and there is also some settings that we need to figure out down here. Make sure you click here on settings and put the image into 16. That is the YouTube mode if you're trying to create YouTube videos. If you are trying to create TikTok videos, you are going to click here on more. All right, you are going to put the vibe in whatever you want. You can click on this. So for me, I'll put on long exposure. This is what I want. Okay, and also you can change the lightning, you can shorten the type and everything. So that is enough for me. You are going to go ahead and enter your prompt. Okay, so this is taking us back to the ChatGPT. So head over to ChatGPT like I said. Copy this, okay? Copy and head over to Leonardo and paste that, okay? So you're going to paste that over here. And after that, we are going to click generate. All right. So as you can see, Leonardo is already generating the pictures of what we are trying to create. So these are the pictures, and you can put the number of pictures that you want it to generate. And also, if you don't like the pictures, please regenerate again. As guys, I'll also save this picture. Yes, so save the picture in your photos, and we are going to go ahead and paste another prompt of what we want. Okay, need quite some more pictures. so that we generate them into videos. This takes us back to ChatGPT. You're going to continue to do the same thing, all right? So you're going to paste this again, copy, and head over to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is already generating some pictures for us as we are waiting. As you can see, so these are some of the whole pictures that I can go with. This is the girl lost in the middle of the woods. So tap on the picture and then save it. And step 3 is you head over to your Google browser and type in hauiloAI. So you're going to click on that. All right, so this is the website. So you're going to click on that, and this website, you need to sign in. Every time you sign in, you get points, as you can see here. So I already have 10 of the points. Now I'm going to use another account. You have as so many accounts as you can. So every time you get to use different accounts and free coins. Also, you guys, everything that I show you here is completely free. The second thing we're going to do is to turn our image into video. So you're going to click on this plus, and once you click on it, you are going to turn on 12V. So click on that and upload your image. Okay, yes, so this is the image that I'm going to upload, the first image. So click on that. So down here you can narrate, but for me I'm not going to do that as per now. So you are going to go ahead and click the 30, and once you click the 30, your image is already in process. Okay, yes, you can go ahead and create another image. So once you click on that, as you can see, image is already progressing. So let's quickly go back and start creating another image. And this time around, the image is going to be created into S2V. So we're going to click on that. And down here, I want to put a character on how the video is going to look like, and also the image. So first I'll go with the image of the girl. So this is the girl. Okay. And again, I'll head over to ChatGPT and copy the prompt, a little bit of a prompt. All right, copy that and head over to hauilo.com, like I said, and paste the prompt here. So you're going to click get creative. So you do not have to wait for this video to finish. Of course, you can continue processing another video. So guys, I want to show you a little bit of what they have created for us. So you're going to tap on the video, and this is the video they have created for us of a lost girl in a forest. Okay, there is also this, so you can pick any of your choice. What is good for you? What is best for you? Now step number 4, we are going to head over to 11labs.com. So this on that. And as you can see, it says text to speech, speech to text, like storytelling, whatever. Okay, and this is completely free. And personally, I want to go with a woman. So I think I'll go with Daniela or Jessica. So I'll go with Jessica. And down here, you're going to paste in whatever you want. All right. So this is going to take us back to ChatGPT of the story. So you copy the story. So this is the story. You click tell story. As you can see, it's starting to process.
Lena wandered too far. One moment, she was chasing a bright blue butterfly. The next, the trees loomed taller, denser, unfamiliar.
So guys, that is what 11 Labs has created for us. Tell a story. You can always change either male to female. You can always use a voiceover. You can use whatever you want. As for me, I'm trying to create a story. Yes. So that is why I used tell a story, as long as you insert the word. So step number 5 is putting everything together. Alright guys, so the final step is putting everything together. I enjoy using CapCut. So what you're going to do is to head over to your CapCut and start importing your work. So first I'll go with that work, as you can see what I've got. And the second thing, I love to trim and cut out the watermark. Yes, so I use since it's YouTube, I will cut off the watermark like that and do the same on this other video. All right, so that the image is clear. And second thing I want to do is to import the audio. Okay, is to import the story.
Lena wandered too far. One moment, she was chasing a bright blue butterfly. The next, the trees loomed taller, denser, unfamiliar. The sunlight barely...
So guys, that is how you are going to make your videos, create your voiceover. Everything is completely free, and start posting on YouTube, TikTok, and make money with these videos. Thank you.